to. She is typically found along just off the coast of Australia on the Moluccan Islands. Now, I'm sure you guys all came here today to see some of those really cool marine animals, but I'll bet you expect that you'd see a real live dinosaur. No one's falling for it?
No.
Okay, yeah, she's not really a dinosaur, but she is pretty closely related to dinosaurs. A lot of the adaptations that Poppy has are similar to those found in dinosaurs. What better way to start this conversation than at the bottom and talk about her feet. As you can see here, she has 2 toes facing forward and 2 toes facing backwards. This is called zygodactylus. Do you guys want to try saying that? Zygodactylus. It's a really big word. It pretty much means that she's a perching bird, or birds that live in trees. We'll show off her awesome climbing skills here. She's using those feet with her really strong beak to climb up with ease. Very nice. Let's give her a round of applause. That's pretty impressive. Today we have some rings here. 3 red and 3 blue. So I'm going to mix them up on the table here for Poppy. And her goal is to pick up the red rings and put them on the post. All right, we got 1, 2 more. Very nice.
Wow.
So now that you've seen a little bit of Poppy in action, I have a few questions for you guys. Do you think that Poppy would make a very easy pet?
Yes.
I'm seeing some mixed reviews, most of the adults saying no, the kids saying yes. Okay, well, let's ask Poppy. Poppy, would you make a very easy pet? That is a hard Poppy. She is a little difficult to care for a number of reasons. She's very messy. She poops pretty much every 10 minutes. It's gross. She's also very destructive. She pretty much chews through anything, okay? And she's also very loud. She has ear-piercing screams. I'm sure you heard some of our birds outside a little bit ago doing some screaming. She'll do that all day and all night. But I want to touch on the main reason that Poppy's hard to care for, her lifespan and her intelligence. So here's my second question. Do you guys think that Poppy's pretty smart? Yeah, Poppy's very smart. Now, parents can have an average intelligence of a 2 to 3-year-old child, which means they can distinguish between good and bad behaviors relatively quickly. I see some parents out here, so what do we call that time? Terrible twos, oh yeah. Who's dealing with terrible twos right now? Oh yeah. Well, here's the thing with terrible twos and with Poppy. Parents can live between 60 to 80 years. So imagine having those terrible twos running around your house for 60 to 80 years. That's a huge responsibility. Yes, Poppy, you are a bit of a handful, but you are also very cute when you play with your toys. So she's going to show off her really fun playground slide today. All right, I'll get it nice and set up for her here. All right. We're just going to put her right here, and she's going to climb on up. Whee! Very nice. She knows that with that target, she's going to follow it wherever it goes. Now, once she gets the hang of that, she can do some more behaviors on her own without that target. So we'll have her show this off. Weave. All right, she's going for it. Picking up speed. Very nice, Poppy. Other environmentally friendly ways of getting around. Poppy here is a pretty cool little scooter. It has lightning bolts, so you know it's really fast, okay? So I'm going to set that out here for Poppy. Just set her right there. She's going to hop up and cruise through the neighborhood. Very good job, Poppy. Now we can also reduce the amount of electricity that we use by turning off lights, TVs, laptops, or other electronics when we're not using them as well. So if we save some electricity, we're going to save some money on our power bill, right? We can be just like Poppy and put that right into our piggy bank. Very nice. Now that last R, recycle, or I'm sorry, that second R, we're skipping one, Poppy. The second R is reuse. I'm sure we all have some old belongings at home that we no longer use, maybe some old toys we don't play with, some old clothing doesn't fit maybe. Well, Poppy here has some toys that she doesn't play with anymore. So I'm going to scatter them on the table here. And we're going to load those back up into our cart. Got one more. We're going gonna take that right on down to the local thrift store. Very nice. When we get there, we can trade those in for some new toys or maybe some extra cash. And now on to that last R, recycle, which is probably the most important for birds like Poppy because they are found in trees. So we want to recycle as much paper as possible to help reduce the amount of trees that need to be cut down in the rainforest. So unfortunately for this one, I'm going to have to be the litter bug here. I'm going to throw this paper on the ground. She's going to show me where it belongs. Right in the recycling bin. Very nice. Now we can also recycle other materials such as different kinds of plastics as well as aluminum.
Saying